CIS Academy. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about one of the current affairs topic that is related to the regulations done over gig workers. Okay? So why are we discussing about this? Because two states in India, one is Karnataka, the other one Rajasthan, have introduced two bill. Rajasthan actually had passed this bill in 2023 itself. So the name of the act in Rajasthan was Rajasthan Platform Based Gig Workers Registration and Welfare Act. And Karnataka has recently introduced a similar bill called Gig Workers Social Security and Welfare Bill. Okay? So the intention of this bill introduced in Karnataka or was that has been passed in Rajasthan was to break the myths related to gig workers. Okay? So there are certain myths, we will be studying about these myths. But then gig workers, gig employers or aggregators such as Uber, ya Ola, ya Rapido, ya Swiggy, ya Zomato, they claim that we are bringing in jobs and plus this is gig, so you have flexible working hours, you have flexible, you have the independence of choosing whether to work or you not, you have the option of choosing not to work. Okay? But all these are actually myth. Okay? And Karnataka state government, they have said that we need to immediately regulate the aggregators or the employers which are providing gig workers some kind of job, gig. Okay? So let us first understand what are the myths that these two bills have tried to break down. The first myth is the myth of independence. So for example, the gig aggregators, we are talking about some of the aggregators like Uber, Rapido, Ola, Swiggy, Zomato or something similar. These are basically the aggregators. Aggregators क्या करते हैं कि they will assign you certain task. ठीक है? Aggregator is somebody who is the middleman between the consumer and the job generator. ठीक है? तो इन दोनों के बीच में we have aggregators and these are some of the examples of the aggregators. So aggregators create this myth कि you have the myth of independence. ठीक है? So we will see this, we are living in a flat world and nobody will be your boss. You will be the captain of your vehicle. For example, Uber, Rapido or Ola, they call their drivers as captains, stating that you don't have anybody as your boss. Yeah, Swiggy or Zomato, they will be calling the delivery partner, delivery guy ko, they will be calling the delivery partner, stating that you are equivalent to the entire team of Swiggy or entire team of Zomato. Okay? So they create this, by these terms, they create this feeling that you are all equal. Okay? And there is no boss to you, but then they give digital agreements. Digital agreements कैसा होगा कि for example an individual who wants to become a delivery partner in Swiggy, ठीक है? So you do not have the option of negotiating with the aggregator. Whatever aggregator sends you the document, we tend to sign it and then the individual joins as a delivery partner. ठीक है? So this is how they have created this myth that you are independent, okay? And you are independently deciding whether to join with this job or not, or because this is a job, so you have the option of negotiating with the employer. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. None of this happens. So this is a digital agreement signed between the aggregator and the employee, okay, which negate the concept of independent contracting. There is no concept of independent contracting. Plus, there is a huge algorithmic control over these people, whoever are the partners or the captains. What do you mean by algorithmic control? Matlab, let's say when you are joining this, let's say they will be saying that your salary will be approximately 1 lakh per annum. Okay? But this or 2 lakhs per annum. But this 1 lakh, 2 lakh per annum, they did not mention this fact कि you need to work for these many hours, go for these many deliveries, a distance of this much kilometer has to be passed, only then your final salary will become 2 lakhs. To lure an individual, they will be making such high claims that such high is the salary. Okay? So in that case, the partners or the captains, they tend to they enter this and later on they get into this trap. So this algorithmic control, matlab there is immense control over the total amount of working hours. One simple example is one of the captains in Rapido. Okay? So this individual, these people who are the captains in Rapido, they state that if we are a we are regularly engaged with Rapido, so in that case the profit that Rapido takes from us is quite meager. But if we are doing it in a irregular manner, then the profit that they will be taking from us will be immense. Okay? This is the example of algorithmic control. That means you need to be continuously engaged with them. Only in that case you will be able to get whatever they have promised. Okay? So this was the first myth of independence. Second myth is the myth of flexibility. Okay? So the myth of flexibility is such that the aggregators, we will not be calling them employees because that is one of the core problem. So the aggregator, they say that you have the flexibility of working. Okay? Morning you can work, evening you can work, afternoon you cannot, you have the option of not working, or morning you have the option of not working, afternoon, evening you can work. Okay? But then let's say in a city like Bangalore, where the maximum amount of commutation is taking place in the morning and the evening, and a flexible captain decides that he or she will be driving only in the afternoon and evening, so their total kilometers are not met. If the kilometers are not met, again their salary will be deducted. Okay? So employer centric flexibility is there. Flexibility, they say that you have the time flexibility, but it is highly employer centric. Okay? Payment structure may they will be carrying out deductions, or incentives may they will be carrying out deduction if you are not flexible as per the employer. If you are flexible as per yourself, so you will be facing reductions in these areas. Okay? Or mandatory requirements in terms of working hours or in terms of kilometers that you have driven. All of this there are certain mandatory requirements. Now the mandatory requirements itself is so much huge that you may not be able to accomplish or fulfill the mandatory requirements, and again your salary gets deducted. Okay? Or you lose out on the incentives. So there is the myth of flexibility. Then is full time. Full time is actually reality. Gig we say this is basically part time. Okay? Part time is the perception, but in reality people tend to work on a full time basis. Okay? For example, income dependency we say ki gig is an extra income, they say. Okay? The employers or the aggregators say that gig is an extra income. You need not be fully dependent on whatever you are earning from this gig. But in reality, going by the statistics, income dependency में 96% of the cab drivers and 90% of the delivery guy have one single source of income, and that is the gig income. Apart from this, there is no other income. That means their entire annual income or per month income is coming from gig. That means their income dependency on gig is quite high. That is one thing. And second is the working hours. Okay? We are saying that part time is just the perception that has been created related to gig, but it is actually a full time. In reality, it is full time because the usual working hours in India is 11 to 12 hours. In certain areas, for example, product sales team के लिए working hours या product sales team या delivery guy या cab driver के लिए the working hours are close to 14 hours. ठीक है? So 12 to 14 hours के range में ही that is their one of their mandatory requirements. So the mandatory requirements are so many that the gig workers, they are not able to fulfill all those conditions, and in that they lose out on the salary. ठीक है? Or incentives. So Karnataka bill was intending to address these concerns. ठीक है? By first is the algorithmic control, role of algorithm में they are trying to bring in transparency. Through this bill they are trying to bring in transparency clear, you need to clearly state that this will be your working hours, only in that case that much will be the salary, or this will be the incentive. All of this should be clearly stated in the agreement. ठीक है? And work categorization, what work के लिए what is the amount, what is the salary that you are giving for this categorization, that also needs to be clarified in the document. ठीक है? Second is the flexibility. Breaking the myth of flexibility के लिए they have stated that fair contract requirement should be present. Fair contract requirement मतलब there will be regulators. For example, state government will be the regulator to monitor whether the aggregator is providing the employer a fair contract or not. If certain condition state government feels that this is not correct, now this is exploitation of the worker, then they can object to the aggregator at that point. ठीक है. Plus next is the income security. So you need to ensure that this much will be the income given to them. ठीक है. And they also should be having the option of right to refuse work without paying penalty. So it so happens in Ola, Rapido and Uber that if the captain refuses to take up a ride, they will have to pay penalty. But in this case, Karnataka has ensured in this bill that even if they refuse to pay, they will not have to pay penalty for that. ठीक है. Third is the social protection. Social security benefits for gig workers was one of the contentious reason. Karnataka bill did not introduce this, and that has become the problem here. Ki social security benefits we have not been able to ensure to the gig workers. Social security benefits matlab health insurance, health insurance, education incentives, HRA, something or the other. Other social security benefits have not been provided neither in the Karnataka bill nor in the Rajasthan bill. ठीक है. So now talking about the concerns with the recently introduced bill, first is the aggregator, the definition. ठीक है. So in India, both the states that have passed, they are still calling Ola, Rapido, Uber, Swiggy, Zomato as an aggregator, not as an employer. ठीक है. The bills are also stating them as aggregator. If you were calling them as employer, then automatically social security benefits will come into place, Companies Act will come into place, plus labor laws will come into place. But the bill itself did not call them as an employer, so they have escaped from the labor laws itself. ठीक है. So aggregator needs to play the role of the employer. They are the ones who are actually playing the role of the employer, but they have not been called to do so. ठीक है. So they are not applicable for labor laws currently. Second is one more unresolved issues. Minimum wages are not applicable to them. ठीक है. Occupational safety के लिए there is no clarification. So for example, Swiggy के लिए, Swiggy delivery partner के लिए, it is mandatory that if you need to deliver within this much amount of time, if this much is the kilometer, so you need to deliver within this much time. So if you are not delivering within this much time, some of your amount will get deducted. ठीक है. But in this case, this leads to so many accidents taking place. ठीक है. तो occupational safety was not discussed. Working hours, leave entitlements and collective bargaining rights. Collective bargaining rights मतलब all the delivery partners collectively stating some requirements to Swiggy and this should be fulfilled by Swiggy. इस तरीके का कोई discussion नहीं हुआ in the bill. ठीक है. So collective bargaining rights remained unresolved. And third important issue was the social security benefits. Social security benefits was also not provided in the bill. ठीक है. So this remained issue which was unaddressed. Secondly, welfare board model was created by Karnataka. Karnataka government has created कि for all these gig workers, we will be creating a welfare board model. Welfare board, what it will do, it will look into the requirements. Acha, these are the requirements of the gig worker. We need to introduce all of this in the regulations related to the aggregator. ठीक है. So this has been running in India. We have had welfare board for so many things. For example, trade union के लिए we have, construction workers के लिए we have. ठीक है. But majority of the case में historically they have turned out to be very weak model. So with that we come to the end of this topic. I wish you all the very best and thank you so much.